When are punitive damages possible in child injury claims? When a child is hurt, families feel pain and frustration, and they often know that someone's carelessness led to the injury. It could be faulty playground equipment or a driver speeding through a school zone. In extreme circumstances, Arkansas law lets families seek punitive damages against wrongdoers. Arkansas distinguishes between compensatory and punitive damages. Compensatory damages cover reasonable costs of medical care, hospital bills, related expenses like transportation and lodging, and future medical treatment, and parents may also recover for the loss of a child's services and contributions, including household help and family responsibilities. This compensation may extend beyond age 18 when an older child supported the family. Punitive damages serve a public purpose, punishing malicious or reckless conduct and deterring similar behavior. They can be awarded only after the jury has decided compensatory damages. The law imposes a high bar. Punitive damages are reserved for cases where the defendant's conduct goes beyond ordinary negligence and shows conscious disregard for the child's safety. Under Arkansas Code 1655-206, families must prove either malice or reckless disregard for human life or deliberate violence done with the intention of causing injury. The standard is clear and convincing evidence, requiring strong proof such as internal records showing knowledge of a dangerous defect, a history of ignoring safety regulations, or eyewitness testimony of shocking behavior or severe intoxication. Negligence is a failure to use reasonable care, while malice or reckless disregard means the defendant knowingly took a serious risk of causing injury or deliberately harmed a child. Daycare example. Consider a daycare repeatedly cited for violating staffing rules and hiring employees with criminal records. When parents complain about a caregiver's aggression, the director does nothing, and the caregiver eventually shoves a child, causing a severe injury. A jury could view this as conscious and reckless disregard. Punitive damages could be assessed against both the daycare and the employee. Manufacturer example. A toy manufacturer's own tests reveal a toy overheats, but executives ignore engineers' recommendations to recall the toy to protect sales. A child is later burned, and emails showing the decision to prioritize profits over safety could support a finding of reckless disregard. Drunk driver example. A driver with prior DUI convictions drinks heavily and speeds through a school zone, striking a child. This conduct goes beyond negligence, and the driver may face punitive damages for conscious indifference to the child's safety. Landlord example. A landlord receives repeated complaints about a broken pool gate but refuses to fix it. A toddler enters the pool area and suffers a brain injury. Although ordinary pools are not generally treated as attractive nuisances, prior warnings and a known defect could support punitive damages if the landlord acted with conscious indifference. An outdated Arkansas statute once capped punitive damages at $250,000 or 3 times compensatory damages, with a $1 million maximum. The Arkansas Supreme Court struck down that cap in 2011, holding that no law may limit recovery for injuries to persons or property. Therefore, there is no current statutory limit on punitive damages in Arkansas. Punitive damages are rare and require clear proof of malice, reckless disregard, or intentional harm. They exist to punish extreme misconduct and deter others from endangering children. If your child has been injured because of someone's reckless or malicious actions, an attorney experienced in Arkansas child injury claims can help you evaluate whether punitive damages may be appropriate. Consulting a lawyer early ensures that evidence is preserved and legal deadlines are met. The attorney at Gates Law Firm PLLC, located at 2725 Cantrell Road, ST 200, Little Rock, Arkansas, 72202, understands these legal standards and is dedicated to helping families seek justice. To learn more, contact the law firm at 501-779-8091 and speak with a lawyer who will work to secure the compensation and accountability your family deserves.